In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sync Google Calendar with Slack. By the end, your upcoming meetings and reminders will show right inside your Slack workspace, so you do not need to jump between apps all day. Start by opening Slack. On your screen, you should see your usual channels and direct messages on the left and your current conversation on the right. If Slack asks you to choose a workspace, pick the one where you want your calendar updates to appear, since the connection will apply to that workspace only. Once Slack is open, click Apps in the left sidebar. This is usually near the bottom, under your channels list. When you click it, a panel opens that shows apps you already have installed, plus an option to add more. If you do not see apps right away, slowly scroll the sidebar, since beginners sometimes miss it if the list is long. From here, search for Google Calendar. In the Apps view, look for a search field at the top and start typing Google Calendar. As you type, Slack filters the results in real time. You are in the right place when you see the Google Calendar app with the familiar calendar icon and a short description mentioning syncing or event reminders. When you see it, click Add to Slack. A new window or browser tab opens, showing the Google Calendar app page for your Slack workspace. This page explains what the app can do, like posting event reminders and letting you respond to invites. At this point, nothing has changed in your workspace yet. You are just preparing to connect your accounts. Next, click Allow to connect your Google account. This Allow button appears on the Slack app page and confirms that you agree to move on to the Google sign-in screen. After you click it, Slack redirects you to a Google sign-in page, and you will notice the address bar now shows a Google web address. Now sign in to your Google account. Enter the email you use for your Google Calendar, then your password. If you use two-step verification, complete that as usual. Make sure you pick the account that actually holds the calendar you care about, since Slack will pull events only from this signed-in account. After that, allow Slack to access your Google Calendar. Google shows a list of permissions, such as viewing and managing your calendars. Scroll through and review them, then click the button to confirm access. Once you do this, Google closes that prompt and sends you back to a Slack settings page for Google Calendar. With the connection in place, choose your calendar settings. You will see options like Get Reminders Before Events, Show Your Availability, and Receive Daily Schedule Updates. For Get Reminders Before Events, you can decide if Slack should send you a message shortly before each meeting begins. Show Your Availability lets teammates see when you are in a meeting or free, which helps reduce interruption messages. Receive Daily Schedule Updates sends you a summary of your day, often in the morning, listing your events in one neat message. Finally, click Save. Slack stores your choices right away and returns you to the Google Calendar app view inside Slack. You should now see a confirmation message and may also see a preview of your next upcoming events in the app home. You have now synced your Google Calendar with Slack, so your events and reminders flow straight into your workspace. So if this helped, please give the video a quick thumbs up and subscribe if you would like more clear Slack and Google tips.